When you first sign up for HostGator, they give you a random string of letters and numbers as your password. And when you first install WordPress, they do the same thing. They give you a random string of letters and numbers as your password. But you can change that to whatever you want. So I'm going to show you how to change your password for each of those things. So for HostGator, just log into your cPanel. And if you go to that email with your account info, if you click on this link to your cPanel and then just use your username and this password to log in. Once you're in, scroll down a tiny bit and under Preferences, click on Change Password. Then you're just going to input your old password from the email, copy that, paste it in here, and then put in your new password and repeat it. Leave these unchecked and hit Change Your Password Now, and you're all done for HostGator. For WordPress, you're just going to click on this link to get to your WordPress admin, and I've already clicked on that and put in the username from this screen. Then I'm going to get the password from this screen, paste it in here and hit login. Then I'm going to go to users and hit all users here on the left. There's my myself. I'm going to hit edit. Scroll down a little bit, and where it says new password, I'm going to put in my new password, repeat it, and then hit update profile, and you're all done.